Good morning, children. Hope you are fine. We were studying Wonderful Waste, and that is a folktale of Travancore. Now, let's start the second part of the story. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Flashed across means come suddenly. कुक के माइंड में एक आइडिया आया. He took all the vegetable bits. Bits means pieces. Wash them and clean them well. Before cooking vegetables, what should we do? We should wash them properly because it has some germs. So whenever we wash, what happens? All the germs go away. So in the same way to cook, he took all the vegetable pieces and cleaned them and washed. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them into a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. So it was a dish that he thought to cook on fire. Next, he ground some fresh coconut. Okay, now we are studying about the ingredients. We are going to read about ingredients of the dish. Ingredient means whatever we are going to cook, so the things we need for that particular dish. So ground is the past form of the word grind. We grind things in the mixer, grinder. Okay, and after grinding coconut, green chilies and garlic together, he ground all the three things together: coconut, green chilies and garlic. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Then he added salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Do you know, when our mothers are cooking in the kitchen, some very, very tempting smell comes from the kitchen that we feel like eating the food. So the same smell was coming from the kitchen. Now he wiped some curd and added it to the curry. He whipped some curd and added to the curry. He was making a curry and he added whipped curd. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Curry leaves are the leaves which are available in southern states, and it is the main ingredient used in sambar. These are green leaves and small in size, which enhance the taste of the curry. So he used curry leaves to enhance the taste of the curry. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. So the cook made this dish and served the guests who were in the palace that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. Whenever we eat something new, so we are very curious. Eager means very curious to know that what is the name of that dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came into his mind. He named it Avial. So earlier there was no name for this dish because he made that dish with scrap vegetable bits, and it was very innovative and new dish for everyone. So suddenly name came to his mind, Avial. Avial became famous over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. See now, that innovative, that creative dish came out of the waste. So waste is not the waste. We can say that every waste is not a waste. It may be useful if we want. So create new things from the waste.